Hi Remy. So today what we're going to be working on in your lesson, I just want you to keep practicing the song that you were practicing because we can always use an extra week to practice, right? So what we're going to do today is something called a cross-hand arpeggio. So this is a little bit more advanced stuff, but I think you might really enjoy it because it's fun. We get to use the whole keyboard. So for this one, what we're going to do is we're going to go C 5-finger scale, both hands. You know how to do C 5-finger scale, right? So our finger 5 is going to start. We're going to skip to finger 3 and then skip to finger 1. That's pretty easy. We know how to do that. And then our right hand, finger 1, 3, 5. Then what's going to happen? Our left hand is going to cross over top of our right hand to go up an octave to the next C. And then my right hand's going to come underneath my left hand to play C, E, G. So I'm going to go like this. So my finger 5 is right here. And then I go up the keyboard. And then my left hand would cross over top of my right hand to go up here. My right hand would come underneath. So it's going to look like this. I go 5, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5. My right hand or my left hand crosses over and goes 5, 3, 1. Right hand goes under 5, 3 or 1, 3, 5. So it goes C, E, G, C, E, G, cross, C, E, G, C, E, G. So we're going up the keyboard. So just try doing that a few times, just twice. Okay, and then I want you to try going from the bottom of your keyboard, starting on your lowest C. So remember that C is by a group of 2 black keys. It's the white key, right? The white key right here. So you're gonna go C, E, G, and then your right hand's gonna go. Now my left hand's gonna cross over top of my right hand to play. And then my right hand is gonna go. And then I'm gonna keep crossing all the way up the keyboard. So we're gonna go C, E, G, 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 all the way up. So it sounds like this. And I'm crossing. And then the last note I play with my right hand. Like that. So I want you to give that a go. C, E, G, C, E, G. You're pretty good at finding all the C's. So the next thing we're going to do is do pretty much the same thing, but this time we're going to start on G. So we know our C 5-finger scale. I want you to see if you can find your G 5-finger scale. So instead of starting finger 1 on C, we're going to start finger 1 on G. And in our left hand, instead of starting finger 5 on C, we're going to start finger 5 on G. So if I was going to do a cross-hand arpeggio in G, instead of starting on C like I normally would, I go to G. C, B, A, G right here. So I'm still playing all white keys, just like that. And same thing with my right hand. My right hand is going to play G, B, D. So the notes are G, B, D. So it's going to sound like this. G, B, D, G, B, D, G, B, D, G, B, D, all the way up the keyboard. And then we can't go any higher. So I want you to try the same thing, but starting on the bottom of the keyboard. Okay, so I'm going G, B, D, G, B, D, G, B, D, G, B, D, okay? So I want you to give that a try. Then, when you feel comfortable going from the low side to the high side, I want you to try it backwards. So go from the high side to the low side. So we'll start in C and then do G. So C 5-finger scale position up high, I'm starting with my right hand is going G, E, C. Then my left hand's going G, E, C. Then backwards, my right hand is going to cross over top of my left hand and go G, E, C. My left hand's going to go G, E, C, G, E, C, G, E, C, G, E, C, G, E, C. all the way down. So it's going to sound like this. This is in C. C 5-finger scale position, up high. G, E, C. G, E, C. G, E, C. So going down, my right hand is going to cross over top, not my left hand. So going up, left hand crosses over. Going down, right hand crosses over. So try it in C, and then I want you to try it in G with our G 5-finger scale. So again, my right hand, finger 1 is on G. My left hand, finger 5 is on G. So that's up high, or sorry, down here on G. So I'm going to go B, or sorry, D, B, G. D, B, G. Cross, D, B, G, D, B, G. And we're going to do that all the way down. So we go D, B, G. D, B, G. My right hand is crossing. Now my right hand's crossing. Just like that. So give both of those a try. I know they're a little bit harder, but I think you can do it, and I think it'll be lots of fun because we get to use the whole keyboard. And I think that'll be everything. That's plenty for you to work with. Keep practicing your songs, and I'll see you next week.